So a few people having trouble downloading from my link. So I decided to create a video to show you that how you can able to download files from my link. So at first, click on the link in the video. Now it will take you to my website. There you will see this another link, click on it. Now it will ask you to first subscribe and follow me on my social media. Now click on this subscribe button and it will take you to my YouTube channel. Now all you have to do is subscribe and hit the bell. Once done, close this tab and you will see that now this verified tick here. And now simply click on this another button and it will ask you to follow me on my Instagram. Once done, close this tab too and you will see that now this button also has a verified tick. Also one more thing, if you are already a follower and subscriber of my channel and my Insta, then simply click on the button and then close the page after it opens. You don't have to unsubscribe and then resubscribe. Once you close the page, it will automatically detect your subscription. Now once both the button has a verified tick, then simply click on this green unlock button and then again click on this another unlock button and now it will take you to my Google Drive. And now simply right click on the file and click on download. It's as easy as that. Also one more thing, I suggest you to do this on PC because apparently Google Drive just don't work good in iPhone. It works good in Android as far as I know, but it sucks in iPhone. So yeah guys, that is how you can able to download files from my link. And once again, happy editing.